Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is my MSI Prestige 14-inch laptop which I had been using for almost about 8 months. And what I can say is I had almost been using this particular laptop for my day-to-day use. This is extremely lightweight and this comes with a fingerprint scanner. You can see as I've unlocked it, and this is one of the best laptops which you can buy in Windows. I mean, if you don't want something like a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, this is the alternative to it in terms of Windows. Okay, so there are a lot of things. I had been using this for roughly 8 months as my primary device. I had been doing I'm not a gaming person, but I had run a couple of games, and then I'd been using this mostly for coding, and this laptop I'd been using as my primary device for video editing. So majority of the YouTube videos which I have done is edited on this, and you all can see this mesh back for the ventilation over here, and this is quite good, quite sturdy. In fact, I really like the blue trim over here, and this comes with two Thunderbolt 3.0, and on the other side also it got this micro SD card, and this is used for transferring your data. And also it got two standard USB, and I think this is 3.2. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. So as you all can see, I can just lift this with one hand, and this got that nice magnetic lid and all. So guys, this is one of the best laptops you all can buy, if you don't want a MacBook. And let me just run something like Crystal Disk and just show you how fast is the speed of this. By the way, got the 512 gigs SSD, and that is NVMe by Samsung. I don't know which model exactly it is. Maybe my guesses are 970 Evo or something. And this is one of the fastest laptop storage you all can get out of the box. And this is let me just show you the overview of it. As you all can see, this comes in this darkish blue kind of tint. And let me turn off the lights, and this is a nice keyboard, and it is very tactile guys. I had been using this for typing and all, extremely comfortable if you are using even with that. And this particular touchpad is also good. I never use any mouse with this. I've been using this touchpad even for video editing. I've been using this touchpad, and I can do almost all my work without the mouse. And this is a bit wider, and at the same time it is not that much of lengthier. And as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is also fast guys, and I really like it. And the scores over here, it shows you around 3500 megabits per second, and this is very fast guys. This is almost like 3 Gbps, and the transfer rate is good. Even the display, what I can show you all is it is quite crisp. I'd been running with the 1080p resolution, and there are other things which you can even run on the 4K display and all. And the bezels are quite thin. If I just open a wide browser and all, then you can see how thin is the bezels over here. And it is very tactile. It's very nice to increase it, I mean open and all. It almost gives you that one of the most premium laptops which I have used. There might be something like Dell and all, which I have not used it, and Dell 13 and all, XPS 13. And what I can say, this MSI Prestige 14 is a well built machine. You all can see I'm holding this entire laptop. It is almost, I think, 1.29 kilograms if I'm not wrong, and this is extremely thin. This is thinner than the, I think, MacBook Air. And you all can see it is not that tapered kind of thing, it's sort of a uniform kind of thing. And this, even the lead is very thin guys. The performance is brilliant. I had been using this for my workload, and I had been using this for video editing. You all can see it can open within one hand. It is so light guys. I have been doing this on entire review, a 5-minute video, along with this particular laptop being in my hand. so I had no issues, and these are the scores. So till the end of this particular video, keep watching. I'll be sharing the write speed also, and everything is very fluid. Here and there are app crashes, but I guess it is a Windows issue and not particularly issue with the MSI. And there are a lot of things. Let me just brief you through the specs. So this comes with a Core i5 10th generation machine and comes with the NVIDIA graphics. And y'all can check it on Flipkart what models y'all are getting. By the way, get it from Flipkart with an extended warranty, because MSI provide extra 1 year warranty also. And so in terms of warranty and all, this is fantastic machine. I highly recommend for those people who are using it. But the price is bit on a higher side, so you'll be getting this laptop less than a lakh. If you all have not checked out my unboxing videos, I'll be linking that in the description, so please go and check out that video also. So now this got that dedicated switch. Okay, so by just pressing one button over here, that is control 1 and all, I can switch it to performance mode or something like so this is the performance mode, I guess. And once you click on it, you all can see the speed is almost like 4 gigs over here. And it sometimes, based on your task and all, it goes high. And sometimes the fans are a bit louder, guys. That is the issue what I feel. But you can hear the sound. I mean, it is not silent at all. And if you want, you can even shift it to the balance mode, which also lowers down the fan noise, and also it will get heated. So the heat is not much. I had been testing this with some other thing, hardware monitor and all, and the the temperature is around 95 to 97 degrees on full load if I'm rendering any videos. And also you all can see how light this is. I'm doing this entire review on my holding this in one hand. So again, this is highly recommended, and the write speed is 1900, around 2. So thanks for watching this particular video, guys.